Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, and if you need to remove or replace the daytime running light, stay with us. We'll explain how to replace the bulb. For those, left right side will be identical. There is a hidden place where you access them from. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where you can get all the tools, supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's explain now, okay? Let's explain now what we have here and how we're going to do that. We'll demonstrate on the right side. If you come on the front, you will notice that in this light here, the bottom one is actually the turn signal, the top one is the daytime running light. And how do you replace those things, guys? It's a little bit hard, but if you turn the tire to the left side when you're working on the right side, or if you're working on the left side, you turn the tire to the right, you will have that cover accessible. Sometimes you may need to jack the vehicle up, push right here, pull out, it comes out. Now, on the back side there, guys, that cover, that thing, needs to be turned about 30 degrees counterclockwise. Pull it out. Later when you install it, careful not to catch wires underneath it or it will not go. Here now, guys, on the bottom you have one bulb, on top you have another one. Okay, you just grab the bulb and turn it counterclockwise about 30 degrees. That's the top bulb we're talking about. The bottom one is still there, as you can see. Now you grab that bulb, okay, let's get somebody here, and you just pull it straight out. Careful not to break in your fingers. I recommend to always use gloves, guys, because sometimes they may be stuck. That's the daytime running lights, guys, on Fiat 500. That's how you remove and replace it if you need to do that. If you need help with anything else, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.